Hey guys, welcome to Santee. Right behind me is the Plan 2 in this new development. It's beautiful and I'm gonna show it to you. So as you can see, it's Walker Trails, Residence 2. It's about 2,200 square feet. Let's walk in. Let's close the door. So as you can see, we walk into the home and it already feels open. You have the staircase right here. So you got stairs going on up. So you have a closet on this side, which is very spacious and very open, and you can put a lot of space in here, all kinds of things. You do have, that's actually funny that they put the see-through door here. I don't think this is standard. They just wanted to show people because you probably cannot open it. So they just wanted to show what the garage looks like. It's a 2-car garage, new built. And let's see, look inside. Yeah, Walker Trails in Santee. I like how they put the mirrors here just to make the house a little bit bigger, just make it feel bigger. You got the you got the bathroom right here on the first floor. Walking into your living room, I think this Plan 2, feels a little bit more open than Plan 3. And it might be a little bit bigger too, so. Feels very open. This is where you're gonna have the living area. You're gonna have the kids playing around, watching TV. And then as you walk in, you have the kitchen area where you're gonna have some delicious food made. You have the AC right here. And then the outside area, the backyard. Let's see if I can open it. What do you guys think? Can I? No, they took it away. So I'll show it to you from here. The backyard, if you have a dog, I would say this is enough space. It's not the biggest, but this price point in the high 900s to low million, this is a great house, great location. You're about 20 to 25 minutes away from downtown. Here's your pantry, walk-in pantry. And in this price, you cannot really beat and find other homes that are better than this. Yes, you're a little bit farther, but again, you are paying $1 million for a new build construction home with new appliances, a fridge, and I can tell this is all white, so this was probably an extra. Yeah, this was probably all extra. You got the new dishwasher, everything is brand new, and you do also get, from what I understand, solar. So if you have an electric vehicle, it will be perfect for you, so you're gonna pay less. But now let's go to the second floor. Let's go upstairs. You got carpet. So carpet in most new builds, it's complimentary, so it doesn't cost you more. But if you can or want to, you can get something different than carpet. Again, 2 sinks on the second floor, shower, bathroom. Why am I going back and forth? And this is the first bedroom. Guys, this is actually pretty nice. You have the sun in. As you can see, there's a park right there. You do have HOA, it's about $165. And they didn't finish building all of them, but it's gonna be built, and this community is gonna be built and finished in 2024. Let's walk, we were already here. Those are the stairs. You got the washer and dryer. Again, guys, this is for $1 million. I don't know many places in San Diego that you will get also a new washer and dryer. And I'm a person that likes to go to the gym all the time, so if I was a buyer, I would look for washers and dryers. But that's kind of my taste. You got another great window over here with a view and sunlight throughout the whole house. I really like how much sun it gets, which is really nice. You got the closet, the carpet. They really like to stage the model homes very nicely so people can imagine themselves living here. You got the storage in the middle of walking. Again, guys, they thought about everything. You have everything you need over here, storage. And then this is gonna be the third bedroom. Again, Plan 2. And you do have the view of the road outside. And these homes are model homes, so the other homes are gonna be on the other side, so every room is gonna look different. But let's walk into the master. And guys, the master is very nice. Carpet, windows on each side window here, window there. So the house comes and has a lot of sunlight throughout the whole day. You got a little bit of mountain view, which is pretty nice, right there. But let's go see the bathroom, the shower, and everything else. Got some more storage here. Wow. They really maximize all the storage and everything. Got the bathroom here. Double sink. So hers with the mirrors, lights. You got the walk-in closet. And then this is, guys, I am actually very shocked. For $1 million, like this is, I'm gonna be sending this to all of my clients. And they have, I think, 5 more homes. So shower, bathtub. Like I said, I believe they have 5 more homes that they're selling. So by the time you see this video, it might be sold out. But if you are looking to move to Santee, new development area, this area or other area, or you're looking to buy or sell a home here in sunny San Diego, I would love to help you. Feel free to reach out to me. My name is Alex Trubnikov. I am with Compass Realty, and I had pleasure showing you this home. Until then, до свидания.